everybody? Welcome to Daily Commitment, where we do a little bit of exercise every day. We made it. It's still morning time. We're not doing, if you saw the exercises yesterday, I did them at like night. No one could see the pull-ups or anything. So yeah, I'm glad that I'm getting to it now. I'm still got my glasses on here. I should put these in my pocket. Let's get some pull-ups done. Last time I accidentally did them without the resistance band. I only did 5. I did 2 without the resistance bands, and then I did 3 afterwards. So let's see if we can get back up to 6 or 7 of these guys, and see if we can get good form on these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I feel pretty worn out at 5. I might just stick to 5. I don't need to push and injure myself. I know it's not a big, I'd like to get back up to 6 or 7, but I'm fine with that. And look guys, we're getting visited by a pig. You guys ever seen a pig? That's a pig. Hello piggy. Hello Lily. You want to talk for the camera? This is a camera. Yes. This is a kune pig. Yeah. So anyway guys, not a big pull-up day, but that's okay. I mean, we did them last night and we're doing them this morning, so it's not a super fast turnaround. I mean, it is a super fast turnaround time. Now let's do some push-ups. And with the push-ups is our pig. Our pig is running. Look at that, a running pig. The pig is running. Oh my gosh. That pig is excited. Usually they don't run like that. That was so cute. You don't usually see the pigs run. They're usually just kind of waddling around. Anyway, let's do some push-ups. Let's get this going. It's all about getting that body straight and getting these hands in the right position. Right here, under the shoulders, back a couple inches. Now we're going to tighten legs, tighten butt, tighten chest, tighten heads, roll on the board. 1. Now last time I did 8. 2. Again, kind of a quick turnaround time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh gosh, let's push it to 8. 8. Again, we're going to get back up to that 13. We had our little injury. 13's our max. Anyway, let's do some squats, guys. Woo. 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 Here's pig is trotting. We got a trotting pig again. You guys can see the trotting pig here. Lily's jogging around. Hey, Lily. We got a pig and a dog playing over there. Kind of some fun over here going on in the farm. Anyway, it's not exactly a farm. It's just, you know, we have a couple animals. Anyway, let's do, we have not been using our squat bar lately. We've been doing really light squats. Aw, you guys missed a really cute pig moment there. But anyway, we do want to move up and do some more squats. But again, we're not really in our squat shorts. Hey, Lily. Lily, what are you so excited about? What are you so excited? Where are you going? I think there's food involved, if I had to guess. She's running around really excited. So anyway, we don't really have great pants on for squatting, but it's okay. They're not terrible. So we really want to do this. This is to keep our shoulders straight, chest out. We come down. We're really getting to these slow squats, guys. These slow squats are we're really getting a lot of benefit. We're not getting the 70 squats. Even we did 100 squats one time because we're taking more time with them. These slow squats, man, I'm telling you, really building those muscles. Yesterday I even did some cowboy squats where you go like this and you just ride like you're riding a horse or something. I'm telling you, I'm feeling a lot stronger now than I was before, even when I was doing like 70 squats. I did 80 3 days in a row. I did 80. This is just, well, I think last month or the month before. But then I was coming down fast. Every time I squat, I was just coming down fast. And then doing that push-up. But now we're really taking our time right here. Just chilling. And then up a little more. Just chilling. And up a little more. Woo. And this real slow come down right here. There's so much more strength that's necessary to come down slow. And you're going to get a lot more muscle growth doing that. Anyway, looks like people are ready to get out of here. I've got some errands I got to do today, so I'm not going to keep going on this. But I'm going to see you guys next time. Come back for some more daily commitment. Good luck.